Welcome, new moms, in this video. We'll walk you through everything you need to know about breastfeeding, from latching techniques to feeding positions, and how to make it a comfortable experience for both you and your baby. Let's start with the basics. Make sure you and your baby are both relaxed. Bring your baby to your breasts, not the other way around. A good latch is key. The baby's mouth should cover more of the areola, not just the nipple. Popular breastfeeding positions include cradle hold, cross cradle hold, football hold, side lying position. Try different ones to find what works best for you. Tips for success: stay hydrated, feed on demand, use nipple cream for soreness, seek help from a lactation consultant if needed. You're doing amazing, mama. Every drop of milk counts. Stick with it and trust your instincts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other moms.